Hi, hello out there guys. This is Miss Debbie from the monkey class. Some of y'all might know me, or maybe a couple of you are going to be in my class as soon as the virtual is done. But I wanted to read you a story because they're talking about the letter C. So I want to do the story about if you give a mouse a cookie. That's a good one. I just read my class, if you give a mouse a brownie this week. So let's see. Miss Debbie's going to get her glasses on. Here we go. If you give a mouse a cookie. Now my class is learning about the title page, and I'm sure you are. So this is a title page. It's the title of the story. If you give a mouse a cookie. And we're going to start learning about the author and the illustrator soon. If you give a mouse a cookie, oh, he's probably going to ask for a glass of milk. And if you give him some milk, he's going to ask for something else. He's probably going to ask for a straw. And when he's finished, he'll probably ask for a napkin to wipe his little mouth off. Isn't he cute? Then he'll want to look in the mirror. He wanted to make sure he doesn't have a little milk mustache. We had milk in our class today, and we did bubbles in it, and some of them had little milk mustaches. And when he looks into the mirror, he might notice that he needs a little hair trim. So he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors so he can trim his little whiskers. I hope you can see that good. And when he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll probably want a broom to sweep up the hairs on the floor. And then he'll start sweeping, and he might get a little carried away and sweep every room in the house. He's so cute. He may even want to wash up the floors as well. And when he's done, he'll probably ask to take a nap. See, what will he need to take a nap? You'll have to fix up a little box for him, maybe a little blanket and a little pillow to go in it. And he'll crawl inside and make himself comfortable and fluff up his little pillow a few times. Then he'll probably ask you to do what I'm doing, read a little story. Because I think most of you, don't you like a little bedtime story when you go to bed at night? I bet Mom and Dad do bedtime stories for you. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask, can I see the pictures? I always make sure you can see the pictures. And when he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited, he'll want to draw one of his own. And he'll ask for, you got it, paper and crayons. So you can draw a picture. I wonder what he wants to draw a picture of. Let's see. Oh, there you can't see it yet, but he's drawing a picture. Look at that big piece of white paper he has. Let's see what kind of picture he's going to draw. Oh, look, when the picture is finished, what a beautiful picture. Do you see that? Do you think that's his family? I think it might be his whole family. He'll want to sign his name after he does the picture. Maybe sign his name in the corner of a picture. And he'll need a pen, of course, to sign his name. Then he'll want to hang his picture on the refrigerator, because I know most of your mom and daddies probably hang pictures on the refrigerator, right? Or maybe on the wall or on a little bulletin board somewhere, just so everybody can see your beautiful pictures that you made. Which means he's going to need, what will he need to hang the picture on the refrigerator? Let's see. Oh yes, he needed some Scotch tape. Then he'll hang his drawing on the refrigerator. Look up here. Then he'll stand back and look at it. And then you know what? Looking at the refrigerator is going to remind him of, let's see, that he's thirsty. Look at, he's thirsty. So, oh, and he just looks exhausted. He'll probably ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of chocolate milk, what is he going to want next? What do you think? Let's see. You're right. He wanted a cookie to go along with the glass of milk. Isn't that a cute story? But he just looked exhausted. looking for him some more cookies. Wasn't that a good story? Well, bye guys. I hope to see you guys soon. We'll meet you in school soon maybe. Bye.